everyone. Today we're gonna explore the San Juan City. Introduction. San Juan is the smallest city in Metro Manila, 5.94 kilometers, and has been known as the City of History, famous for Green Hills Shopping Center and residential. Urban, yet peacefully with blending tradition with modern living. Central zone with strong residential and commercial zone. And for the map location, located at the heart of Metro Manila, you can see under the map, borders Quezon City, Northeast, Manila, West, Mandaluyong South. Accessible via Trias Avenue, MRT 3, and MRT 2. Heart shape on the NCR map. So you can see the heart shape is that like that. Historical background. Founding date establishment. Established in 1623 as the town under Spanish rule. Became a highly urbanized city on June 17, 2007. Origin of the city names named after Saint John the Baptist, San Juan Bautista, the city patron saint, known for the annual Wata Wata festival. In his honor. Historical background, significant historical background, historical events. Battle of San Juan del Monte, 1896, first major battle of the Philippines, revolution led by the Katipunan. Spanish period establishment of El Deposito and Spanish military facilities. American era, so San Juan became a residential suburb. Japanese occupation, experienced bombing and conflict during World War II. And for the martial law, 1970s, growth of Green Hills and target subdivisions. Historical landmark and heritage sites. Pinaglabanan Shrine commemorates 1896 revolution. Museum and Katipunan houses artifacts from revolutionary period. El Deposito underground reservoir. Restored Spanish era water system. San Juan Church, Pinaglabanan Church, all this religion structure in the city. Santuario del Santos Cristo, 17th century Baroque church. And for geography and demographics, this landed area has 595 km square and 2.30 square meter. Completely landlocked. Barangay counts, it has 21 barangays, estimated population 2020 census 100,026 347 residents. Population density approximately 255 persons per kilometer. Language spoken, it has a Tagalog, Filipino, and also occupation. Notable ethnic and religious groups, major ethnicities, Tagalog, predominant Bisaya, Ilocano, Chinese, and Bicol. Religion, predominantly Roman Catholic, also home to English and Christian, former HQ, Evangelical Christians, and a Filipino Chinese Catholic community. Governance San Juan City. For form of government operations under mayor council systems, executive elected mayor, legislative Sangguniang Pangungsod composed of 12 elected councilors, 6 per district, plus official scheme and permanent. And currency, mayor and city officials, 2025-2028. For their mayor, they have a Mayor Francisco Javier or Francis Zamora. They were elected for his third and final term on May 12, 2025. For their Vice Mayor, Angela Agkawi PFP returned to the office after assuming role midterm 2023. City councilors, they have a 12 elected First District, Ryan Dico Llanos B, James Yap, Oyen Tolentino, and Ervic Behandre, Diniska Pardenes, Vic Reyes PNP. Second District 6, Franco Tanyagaya, Kate Peralta, Bia de Guzman, Totoy Bernardo, Maki, and also they have John Aran. Notable politics in the 2019 end of 50-year Estrada, Ejercito Dynasty as Francis Zamora won the Zamora 2025. They have Zamora re-elected for the third and final term in a landslide. 2024, Vice Mayor Agkawi succeeded Warren Rivera after his passing. City Hall government offices. San Juan City located along Pinaglabanan Street, adjacent to heritage landmark like the Pinaglabanan Shrine. Also, House Administrative Office, the Sangguniang Pangulo Association, and public service counters. Recent infrastructure includes a refurbished civic atrium and enhanced online citizen service portal.
San Juan City is a small but active city known for its strong economy, rich culture, and accessible transportation. Many people in the city earns money through businesses like selling products in Green Hills and local markets. Green Hills is popular all over the Philippines for selling gadgets, pearls, clothes, and change. The city also earns money through renting out condominiums and commercial spaces, especially in busy areas like Artigas Avenue and Annapolis Street. Restaurants, food stalls, private schools, salons, tailoring shops, and repair service also help the economy grow. Some well-known products from San Juan includes jewelry, mobile phones, accessories, ready-to-wear clothes, and Filipino foods like kakanin, pancit palabok, and street snacks. Tourism and culture. San Juan has many cultural and historical tourist spots. One of the most important is the Pinaglabanan Shrine, which honors the bravery of Filipino fighters in the 1896 revolution. Nearby is the Museo ng Katipunan showing artifacts from Katipunan Group, and the Museo El Deposito, which features an underground water system. The Pinaglabanan Church, built in 1894, is a famous landmark and was recently declared a shrine. San Juan also celebrates the Wata Wata Festival every June 24 to honor Saint John the Baptist. People have fun throwing water on each other during the street parades. The city also has art galleries like Fundación Sanso, murals in public places, and the Philo Oil Eco Oil Century, which hosts sports and cultural events. When it comes to getting around, San Juan is easy to travel through. It has important roads like Ortigas Avenue and Domingo Street, Santolan Road, and Annapolis Street, which is connected to nearby cities like Quezon City, Manila, and Quezon City. There are also LRT2 and MRT2 that make it convenient to reach EDSA and the Ortigas areas. Common mode, jeepney, buses, tricycle, ride-hailing services taxi and private vehicle. Other notable infrastructure, San Juan's Filo Oil, Eco Oil, Sanchi, San Juan City Hall Complex, public market and transportation terminal, drainage and flood control project, Skyway, EDSA, and Ortigas interchange. All these things in its businesses, history, culture, food, and good transportation make San Juan City is a lively and important part of Metro Manila.
Let's go to the issues and challenges faced by San Juan City. First is traffic congestion and narrow roads and high vehicle volume, especially around Green Hills and Ortigas avenues. Second is flooding. Low-lying areas like Amigo, Blooming Street, and Pigibara experience occasional flash floods during heavy rains. So third is informal settlements present in select paradise, causing sanitation and resettlement challenges. So third is limited land area. So at only 5.95 kilometers square, expansion of infrastructure, housing, and open space is a constant challenge. Lastly is pollution and waste management. So increasing consumer activity causes more solid waste. The city promotes stricter segregation and eco-friendly habits. So next is the current news or ongoing projects. First is the Green Hills Redevelopment Project, major transformation into a smart and sustainable mixed-use commercial zone. So second is